Leaders in Maine law enforcement say a man suspected of setting fire to a few homes in Auburn over the weekend should not have been free on bail and out on the street.
A body was found in one of those homes but has not yet been officially identified. The suspect, Leon Hinckley, died when police say he exchanged gunfire with officers while standing on the roof of a third home on Russell Avenue, ending the siege but prompting questions from police. Today, two police unions say the courts failed in keeping Hinckley behind bars while he was awaiting trial. And they pointed the finger at one judge in particular. Here's News Center Maine's David Guilford.
In a rare move, unions representing state troopers and 51 local police departments blamed by name the judge presiding over Leon Hinckley's court hearings 3 days before he allegedly went to his ex-girlfriend's house with a gun, with a still unnamed person killed inside the burned-out home, and police then shooting and killing Hinckley.
They were very frustrated. This is a case that never should have happened.
Michael Eads represents both the Fraternal Order of Police and State Troopers Association in this matter. In a Sunday statement, Eads wrote, "Responsibility now squarely falls on Judge Sarah Churchill after she lowered Hinckley's bail and removed his probation, leading to his freedom. He was out early on probation after stabbing a partner in a Good Samaritan in 2011, and then his probation officers tried to make him serve the 5 years left on his sentence for allegedly dragging and choking his girlfriend on May 24th of this year."
You had the district attorney in Androscoggin County begging the judge, do not release this man out into public. He's a danger.
Churchill lowered the provisions because Hinckley wasn't provided an attorney for his last 4 court hearings, the judge believing his Sixth Amendment right to representation was violated.
There are 2,400 cases, pending in Androscoggin County. You might be able to make this argument for a good deal of those, but Mr. Hinckley did not fall into that category. He was a dangerous human being.
In a lengthy statement, the Maine Judicial Branch said it's dangerous to blame the court for what happened, and closed by saying, quote, "Until we have enough defense attorneys available to represent accused people, our system will continue to malfunction."
When the system is broken, as ours is unfortunately here in Maine, it's not only a threat to what goes on in the courtroom, but it's a threat to the safety of all our communities.
And this threat came in a city still dealing with grief over violent crime.
This is months removed from a mass shooting and mass tragedy in our community.
David Guilford, News Center, Maine.